And we also had several earthquakes here in our area this morning. The most powerful was a 3.7 in San Ramon just about 2 hours ago.
And let's bring in Drew Toomer right now. Drew, what do we know?
Yeah, so we have a lot of seismic activity over the last 24 hours. I want to take you to our earthquake map, and you can see this cluster of earthquakes in an area that is well known for these shakes. San Ramon, we've seen these clusters of quakes over the last few weeks. Just in the last 24 hours alone, we have seen 12 reports of earthquakes, the maximum magnitude a 3.7. That 3.7 occurring at 9:07 this morning. I know a lot of folks felt the shaking, and even the weaker ones earlier this morning, a lot of folks in the East Bay felt that. So did you feel it? The epicenter near San Ramon, of course, most of the shaking felt in the East Bay. You could see most of the reports were weak to light shaking, but even folks in the city felt it, the peninsula, even the South Bay. And it was right on the Calaveras fault. So we'll show you exactly where that is. Here's where the epicenters were. Here's the fault itself. And again, this is an area over the last few months which has had several swarms of earthquakes. When we take a look at the magnitude map, when you get an earthquake around a 3 to 4, that's some minor shaking, often felt, but most times no damage. We see several of those a year. So of course the East Bay, though, waking up to some shaking earlier this morning. Gloria?
Thank you so much, Drew.